What if I told you there's a way to undress her completely without laying a single finger on her? Not with words that feel fake, not with tricks that make her feel used, not with anything that feels wrong. Just pure, deep energy that makes her crave you so badly she can't stop thinking about you the next day. Her body wants you. Her mind can't stop imagining you. And it starts way before you even get close. I know you've felt it. That moment when she looks at you and her eyes say one thing but her body says another. Maybe she laughs at your jokes. Maybe she touches your arm for a second, but then she pulls away like nothing happened. That mix of feelings is so common. And the beautiful thing is, you don't have to chase it anymore. You can learn to create it on purpose, gently, from the heart. Let me show you exactly how. We're going to go through 9 real tips that actually work. Each one I'm going to explain in plain words, with why it feels so good, and with a little story from my heart so you can picture it happening to you. Take your time reading this. Feel it. This is for you. The first tip is simple, but it changes everything. Look at her like you've already touched her. Not with your eyes in a creepy way. No, with soft, steady, hungry eyes that say, I already know exactly what I want. Stare at her body like it belongs to you, but in a loving way. Let your eyes move slowly from her eyes down to her lips, then back up. This alone creates that insane sexual tension that makes her squirm and lean in closer. Why does this work so deeply? Because your eyes are the most powerful tool we have. When you look at her like that, her nervous system picks up the signal of desire. Her body starts to warm up. She starts imagining what it would feel like. She starts to crave you. And the best part, she doesn't even have to do anything. You're doing it with just your eyes and your calm presence. This is the secret that makes her chase your attention, instead of waiting for you to chase hers. I remember the first time I tried this on myself. There was a girl I really liked, but she was pulling away. I sat across from her at a cafe and looked at her the way I'm telling you now. Slow, steady, soft. She noticed. Her cheeks turned pink. She laughed a little more, leaned forward a tiny bit. I didn't say a word, just looked. And by the end of the night she was the one texting me first. It felt so natural. Like her heart was already saying yes before her brain knew why. Do you see how gentle this is? You're not forcing anything. You're just being honest with your eyes. And that honesty is magnetic. When you do this, she feels safe and turned on at the same time. Safe because your eyes are calm and loving. Turned on because they're hungry. The second tip is about your voice. Speak slowly and deeply. Use that low, calm voice that sends shivers down her spine. Not loud or fast like you're trying to impress her. Slow, calm, like you're whispering secrets only she gets to hear. This voice alone can make her feel so turned on she can barely sit still. Why does the voice matter so much? Because sound travels straight to her heart. When you talk low and slow, her body relaxes and opens up. Her imagination runs wild. She starts picturing you saying those words while you're close. Her skin gets warm. Her breathing gets a little faster. And that's exactly what we want. Desire without you even touching her. I like to practice this in the mirror every morning. Talk to the mirror like you're talking to her. Say simple things like, I can't stop thinking about you right now, or, you look so beautiful when you smile. Say it slow and deep. Do this every day and your voice becomes a superpower. When you're with her, you'll catch yourself doing it naturally. And she'll feel it. That calm, deep voice is like a warm blanket wrapped around her. Here's a little story that happened to a friend of mine, and it could happen to you. He was at a party with a girl who kept pulling away. He started talking to her with that slow, deep voice. He said things like, I've been wanting to kiss you all night. But in a soft way. She didn't say yes right away, but the tension in the room changed. Later that night she was the one reaching out to him. Her body was craving him because his voice had already undressed her mentally. The third tip is to tease with words. Tell her exactly what's running through your mind, but in a way that makes her imagination do the work. Not dirty words that feel scary, just gentle promises. Something like, I can't stop thinking about what's under that dress, or, you have no idea how much I want to touch you right now. Watch her cheeks flush. Let her do the rest of the work. Why does teasing work so well? Because when you tease, you give her permission to imagine. Her mind starts filling in the blanks. She starts wanting it more than you even have to say. This creates that beautiful push and pull feeling where she starts chasing you. I love this one because it feels so loving. You're not being rough. You're being honest with your desires. You're letting her know that you want her, but you're giving her the chance to chase you. That chase feels amazing for both of you. The fourth tip is use strategic silence. After you say something charged, pause. Let the silence build until it's almost uncomfortable. Don't fill it with words. Just be there with your calm eyes and your steady presence. The tension she feels in that quiet is electric. It makes her lean in even more. Why does silence work? Because silence forces her to feel everything. She has to sit with the desire. Her body starts to ache in the best way. And that ache is what makes her want you so badly she can't think straight. I like to call this the pause that drives her crazy. You say something, you look at her, you smile a little, then you stop talking. She'll feel the pull. It's like you're saying, I'm right here, and I'm not going anywhere. The fifth tip is the smirk and strong eye contact combo. Give her that little smirk with your eyes, the one that says, I know exactly what I want and you do too. Pair it with strong, steady eye contact. This non-verbal signal is one of the most powerful things a man can do. It says you're calm, you're confident, and you want her. Why does this combo work? Because it combines softness with strength. Her heart feels safe and turned on at the same time. The smirk makes her smile back, and the eyes make her body respond. The sixth tip is play with proximity. Get close enough she feels your breath on her skin, then pull back slowly. Don't touch, just get close and then step away. This push-pull without touching drives her crazy because she starts chasing you. Why does this feel so good? Because it creates that delicious tension where she wants you more than you want her. And that chase is addictive for both of you. The seventh tip is command her with your presence. Stand tall, move deliberately, take up space. The way you carry yourself, calm, strong, masculine, alone can make her feel wet just from being near you. Don't try too hard. Just be in the room like you already own it. Why does presence matter? Because your body is saying, I'm a man who knows what he wants. That confidence is magnetic. She feels it in her bones. The eighth tip is give her those fuck me eyes. Look at her lips, then straight back into her eyes. Bite your lip for just a second. That little non-verbal signal is one of the most powerful things a man can do. It says, I want you right now. Why does this work? Because eyes don't lie. When she sees you looking at her lips and then at her eyes, her body reacts before her brain can stop it. The ninth and final tip is make her chase the touch. When she leans in, pull back just a little. Make her want your hands on her so bad she's the one reaching for you next. This is the secret sauce. You don't chase. You let her chase you. That way she feels the desire all on her own. Any guy can have sex. But making her crave you the next day, that's the real skill. And it starts with all of this. With your calm, your eyes, your voice, your presence. Now let me tell you what now to do. These mistakes kill the spark and make her pull away again. First, don't be needy. Don't message her every 5 minutes. Don't say, I can't stop thinking about you. That makes her feel responsible for your happiness. Second, don't over-explain. Don't tell her everything at once. Let her discover you slowly. Third, don't force the touch. Don't say, I want to kiss you. Just let the energy do the talking. Fourth, don't compare her to others. Don't say, you're the only one who makes me feel this way. That can make her feel special, but also pressure. Fifth, don't be in a rush. Sex or no sex, the craving you want to create takes time. Rushing kills it. Here's a real-life example that happened to me and it can happen to you. I was out with a girl I really liked. She kept pulling away, laughing at everything, but never making the first move. I decided to use tip 1, those hungry eyes. I looked at her the whole night like that. Then I used tip 2 and spoke slowly. She started touching my arm. I pulled back. She chased. By the end of the night, she was the one kissing me. She was so turned on she couldn't stop. And the best part, she texted me the next day saying, I can't stop thinking about you. That's the magic we're talking about. Now let me give you some bonus tips to make it last longer and even better. First, practice this in the mirror every day. Talk to your reflection like you're talking to her. Second, journal what you're feeling. Write down your desires so you can share them gently. Third, breathe deeply when you're with her. Calm breathing makes your presence stronger. Fourth, touch her when she invites you. But only after she's already craving you. Don't force it. Fifth, be kind after the night. Tell her she's beautiful. That makes her feel safe and wanted. And here's a quick daily practice you can do right now. Every morning, look in the mirror and practice these tips for 5 minutes. Look at yourself like you want her. Speak slowly. Give yourself that smirk. Do this every day and your body learns it naturally. In 2 weeks, you'll notice the difference in real life. You're already enough. you've always been enough. When you show up with this calm, strong energy, not from neediness, but from genuine desire, something beautiful happens. She doesn't just want you, she becomes addicted to you. And the best part, she'll chase you too. If this touched your heart and you made it to the end, drop a comment with, "I made it," so I can reply to you personally with a gentle message. And if it helped you feel even more confident and loving, give this video a warm like and subscribe. I've got more just like this waiting for you always.